Hello, my name is Lucie. I live in Sherbrooke, Quebec, my hometown. Although this is my hometown, I spent most of my adult life in Ottawa. I'm about to be 72 years old now, but when I was 45, I started getting horrible backache, debilitating backache. I would just seize up. So over the years, I saw two different chiropractors who worked with a more traditional method. I hated getting on that table, and although that's not what they were doing, you hear cracking sounds and so on, so it was not pleasant. That said, over the years, I got to be in less and less pain and no pain at all, so they did help me. Then in 2010, I decided to move back to my hometown when I retired. And the first thing I shopped around for were chiropractors, and I finally ended up picking up somebody's business card and going to her for about a year. But I was really not comfortable with her methods. And one day I was talking to my hairdresser and I said, I have to find a new chiropractor. Do you know of any good ones? And she right away sung the praises of Dr. Gendron and how good she was and how she worked differently. So I made an appointment very quickly. And I was suitably impressed from the get-go. The diagnostic that Dr. Gendron did was very thorough. Through that, I found out that I literally had one shoulder higher than the other, one hip lower than the other. I literally needed to be straightened out. And the other thing that really impressed me once I started getting the treatments was how non-invasive these treatments are. A couple of little pressures, points on the neck, and the Nuka technique. You'll learn all about it and read all about it. It is really not very invasive. Now, Dr. Gendron speaks very good English, although tinged with a lovely little French accent, and she's a delight to deal with. I'm quite convinced that my general well-being at my age is partly due to the treatments from Dr. Gendron. It was an upfront investment in time and money to get me to a point where I could be on maintenance, that is an appointment every 4 weeks, and maintenance it is. I wouldn't do without these treatments, and I would never switch chiropractors.